do? It's Alicia here, and I'm coming to y'all to give y'all a makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be using all of Beauty Glaze. So I'm going to be using the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette, and I'm going to be using the Meet Your Match Color Board Beauty Glaze as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start with this one right here. And I am going to turn these. And I'm going to use this very, very opaque. Before I do that, before I start, let me put this Tarte shade eyeshadow primer. And then I will try to list everything below anything, but yeah. Okay. Anything, but I'm gonna be doing something I haven't done in years. I was known on my old channel. If you remember, I had an old channel, and I was very known for creating beautiful. And I'm going to take from this blue portion from this palette, and I'm going to take this very light brown right here. And so where did I do that brush that quick? And this I hate every time. Oh, didn't grab it. Here we go. So we're going to take this brush right here and set it right here, and we're going to take this brush here, and we're going to go in with this very light brown, and I'm just going to I'm just creating a little bit right in here. And I'm just going to take it up into the brow a little bit as well. And it's just going to be a base. Alright. After that, we're going to go, and I'm going to slide this over. And we're going to go not this one. We're going to go into the purples, excuse me. We're going to go into the purples and pinks right here. These are the colors we're going to be using. And what I'm going to be doing, I am going to be creating a sunset. I've been into that since I was young. And we're going to take not the darkest, and especially not the lightest, and we're going to take mostly this tone right here, this tone of purple right here. And we're going to put that in the crease. Tap that a little bit. And I just got this the other day. See, pull out one of my things so I can see what I'm doing a little bit. Alright. And we're gonna just layer it first with the top layer. Go out light And then we're going to pull in the purple. Alright. So the next thing is we're going to try to blend that out. And so what we're going to do, we're going to take this purple right here, this, and we're just going to blend. Okay. So the next color we're going to use is we're going to be using this pinky color right here. And we're going to go on top of that with that same color on top. A little dab. Pop off a little bit of that excess. Then we're going to take this brush right here. I am liking what I'm seeing. Then, whoa! And we're just going to take, for a highlight, and we're going to go on and do the brow bone while I'm thinking of it. And we're going to take, I want to do the brow bone, and we're going to take this color that's in the blue right here. Sort of like a beige looking color. Alright. So we through with that one. And to finish off the lids, set that down here. To finish off the lids, we're going to go in the Color Fusion. And we're going to use this color right here. It's the perfect color to finish it off with. And things, so we're going to finish it off with that. And I'm going to take this brush and gonna add a little more to here. So we're just gonna blend this out. After we do that, that's mostly it with the look, with the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna move that. But what I'm going to do, just to add a little more to the lid, in my Sephora, so for happening I'm using the mirror, I'm going to use this Sephora Sun Beach Filter palette. And I'm going to go in with Later Graham. And I'm just going to add it to the lid. And we're just going to add those to the lid just to pop out the color a little bit. There you go. I mean, for the color I did for the sunset look, it looks pretty good. And this is what I see when I see sunset here in Mississippi. So I'm just gonna make sure I get everything. Alright. So now we're going to clean up the face area right quick. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this powder right here. And this is the Black Radiance Soft Finishing Powder. And this is in the color, let me see, milk chocolate and stuff. So, yeah, we're going to take this brush right here. And we're just going to just finish it up. Alright, so we're just going to add a little bit of blush lipstick, and that's it. So, yeah. So with the blush, we're going to go a little nude, and we're going to use the color Poppy. Poppy is one of my favorite colors of using. It's more of a natural color. And Poppy is more of on the natural color spectrum. So there we go with that. Then we're going to take, I'm just going to go, let's see what I want. I'm going to take my, this particular palette, and I use these colors for, and I'm going to try to use this color right here. Okay. And before I finish that up, I'm going to do a little bit on my nose. And I'm going to tap a little bit up in there. And we're just going to go up the bridge of my nose. And there we go. And we're going to finish up with the lips and brows. And I'm going to use, for my brows, I'm using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Brow. I only use gel brows because it's much more easier for me. And it shapes them a pretty little bit much. And I like this product real well. And yeah, so we have that. And like I said, I'll list everything at the below. And we're going to use my favorite eyelash product, and this is the Maybelline Great Lash. Alright. So before I go back through with a brush like this. And we're going to add a nude lipstick. And this is by Revlon. And it's a cream lipstick. And it's $6.71 in mink. So, yeah. And yeah, this is it. This is the look. I hope everybody enjoyed the look. I mean, for me, this is what I see when I see the sun go down. And this is the Spanish. You could say this is my version of the sunset look. And you have all different interpretations of it. But I hope y'all enjoy this look. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.